Are you looking for the best battery trimmers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best battery trimmers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Black+Decker 20V Max EasyFeed String Trimmer/Edger. Reliable lawn equipment doesn't always cost an arm and a leg. Black+Decker's compact EasyFeed Trimmer/Edger is one of the most affordable models around, and it offers enough trimming power and runtime to maintain a small yard. This battery-powered electric weed eater is designed to clip grass quickly, and once the job is done, it stows away in a tiny amount of space. It features a pistol-style throttle grip, an adjustable forward loop handle, and a telescoping shaft for easy height adjustment. It also has a rotating head that allows you to transition from a horizontal weed-eating position to a vertical edging configuration without having to hold the grips upside down. When it's in the edging position, you get the added benefit of a wheel for added support. Although the Black+Decker offered significantly less cutting power than the other tools in our test group, it did a fine job on our lawn grass. The handles were comfortable, and we appreciated the push-button line feed, as opposed to a traditional bump advanced trimmer head. Our two testers, one over 6 feet tall and the other under 5.5 feet tall, both found it comfortable and easy to use without undue strain, bending, stooping, or lifting. Number 2. Folding String Trimmer with QuickLoad Spool. Maximize convenience and performance with the folding string trimmer, designed to fit into small storage spaces effortlessly. Its folding hinge reduces the tool's length, making it perfect for easy transportation and compact storage in your garage or vehicle. With a 14-inch cutting swath, this trimmer tackles wide areas efficiently, and its durable construction handles even the thickest brush with ease. The variable speed trigger lets you choose between performance and runtime, giving you control based on the task at hand. Respooling is a breeze with the QuickLoad spool system, allowing you to wind new line fast and get back to work quickly. The high/low speed control switch offers additional power management, making it easy to adjust power levels for different cutting conditions. Key features: folding hinge, fits into small spaces and reduces length for easy transport. Cutting swath, 14-inch width for efficient trimming. Durability, built to handle thick brush. Speed control, high/low switch for power management. Variable speed trigger, choose between performance and runtime. QuickLoad spool, fast and easy line replacement. With its compact design, powerful performance, and user-friendly features, this folding string trimmer is an excellent choice for both small yards and larger areas. Number 3. EcoPower Plus ST1511 T15-inch Powerload String Trimmer. EcoPower Plus has made a name for itself in the outdoor power equipment category by building an affordable line of battery-powered tools that compete favorably against old-fashioned 2-cycle gas-powered equipment. This 15-inch Ego trimmer proved to be powerful, clean, and quiet in testing. The 56V 2.5Ah lithium-ion battery delivers up to 45 minutes of runtime, with a recharging time of just 50 minutes. The bump feed trimmer head comes preloaded with 0.095-inch trimmer line for more cutting force and less noise. The unit weighs in at just over 10 pounds, and taller users will appreciate the straight shaft design. In our tests, the Ego battery-powered weed eater showed ample power to cut through everything in its path, including overgrown grass, privet seedlings, and honeysuckle vines. With the heavy battery in the back offset by the long, straight shaft, the trimmer's well-balanced design made it comfortable to work with and more maneuverable than others we tested. Our only caveat: for seasonal yard cleanup or maintaining larger landscapes, the 45-minute maximum runtime may not be quite enough. Number 4. Makita 36V LXT Brushless String Trimmer Kit. The Makita string trimmer is a premium option well suited to keeping lawns and gardens under control. It can handle large yards, offering enough power to tackle dense weed growth. This cordless string trimmer comes with 4 18V 5.0Ah batteries, so you're not likely to run out of power. Shoppers can purchase this model as a kit that includes a dual battery charger and 2 sets of batteries, or as a tool only for those who already have items from the Makita 18V tool platform. With a long, straight shaft and high-power cutting head, this 10.4-pound trimmer feels like a pro-quality tool. It was well-balanced and precise while trimming around shrubs and between obstacles. It had plenty of power to cut through tough vegetation, though not quite as much as a brush cutter. In our tests, it made nice clean cuts and crisp edges in the grassy areas and tore through weedy privet seedlings and honeysuckle vines without hesitation. It's an excellent candidate to replace gas equipment for medium to large landscapes, though the price may be high for budget-minded shoppers. Number 5. Worx 20V Power Share String Trimmer and Edger 2-in-1. Tackle your lawn care tasks with ease using the Worx 20V Power Share String Trimmer and Edger, a versatile 2-in-1 tool that instantly converts from a trimmer to an edger in just seconds. Designed for convenience and precision, this tool features an innovative command feed spool system for instant line feeding at the push of a button, plus, you get free spools for life. The tilting head adjusts 90 degrees to help you trim and edge on sloped terrain and reach tight spots effortlessly. For cleaner cuts and straighter lines, the rubberized wheels provide reliable support and guidance. An adjustable spacer guard protects plants, landscape features, and ornaments from accidental damage. Powered by 2 lightweight 20V max lithium batteries, this trimmer offers impressive performance and is compatible with all tools in the Worx Power Share family, so you can do it all with the same battery. Key features: 2-in-1 design, converts from trimmer to edger in seconds. Instant line feed, command feed spool system with free spools for life. Adjustable head, tilts 90 degrees for sloped and hard-to-reach areas. Rubberized wheels, ensure straighter lines and cleaner cuts. Spacer guard, protects plants and lawn ornaments. Speed, 7,600 RPM no load. Cutting diameter, 12 inches. Line specs, 10-foot cutting line, 0.065-inch diameter. Power, includes 2 X20V max lithium batteries and charger. Weight, 5.3 pounds. What's in the box? 20V string trimmer and edger. 2 X20V max lithium batteries. 20V charger. Trimmer spool. Support wheels. Safety guard. With its lightweight design, powerful performance, and smart features, the Worx 20V Power Share String Trimmer and Edger makes lawn care quicker and easier.